Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the dark like never before, using 4K PRO Night Vision Binoculars. I'm super excited to share with you these amazing binoculars that can see in the dark. They're like something out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real, and they're going to change the way we explore the world at night. With their advanced 4K resolution and infrared technology, these binoculars can capture crystal-clear images even in complete darkness. Venturing into the dark can be a real challenge. We've all been there, trying to navigate through a dark forest or spotting wildlife at night, only to be held back by our limited vision. Standard binoculars just don't cut it when the sun goes down. They're either too heavy, too bulky, or just plain ineffective in low light conditions. I've tried using them before, and let me tell you, it's frustrating not being able to see what's out there. The limitations are obvious, you can't spot anything, and you end up relying on guesswork. It's not exactly the best way to explore. Low light conditions can be downright scary. Imagine being in a situation where you can't see your hand in front of your face. It's not exactly the most comforting feeling. That's where these 4K PRO Night Vision Binoculars come in, to take the guesswork out of nighttime exploration. With standard binoculars, you're basically stumbling around in the dark. You might catch a glimpse of something, but it's not clear, and you can't be sure what you're looking at. The 4K PRO Night Vision Binoculars use advanced infrared technology to amplify any available light, making it possible to see in complete darkness. Their 4K resolution ensures that images are crisp and clear, so you don't miss out on any details. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast, a security professional, or just someone who loves exploring the great outdoors, these binoculars are a total game changer. So, how do they work? Well, it's pretty simple. The binoculars use a special infrared sensor that detects even the smallest amounts of light, amplifying it to create a visible image. This means that even on the darkest nights, you can still see what's out there. The 4K resolution is what really sets them apart, providing an incredibly detailed view of your surroundings. I've had a chance to try out these binoculars in various conditions, and I've been blown away by their performance. From spotting deer in a forest to observing nocturnal animals in their natural habitat, these binoculars have consistently delivered. The clarity and detail are impressive, making it feel like you're right there in the action. Okay, it's time to put these binoculars to the test. I'm going to take them out for a spin and show you just how well they work. As I move through this dark area, I'm going to switch on the binoculars and see what we can spot. Whoa, look at that. The image is crystal clear, and I can see every detail. It's like having a flashlight built right into my eyes. The image is so clear that I can even see the texture of the trees and the leaves rustling in the wind. It's incredible. I'm going to move around a bit more and see what else I can find. Ah, look, I can see some wildlife moving around in the distance. This is amazing. Recap the advantages of using 4K PRO Night Vision Binoculars and their potential to enhance nighttime exploration. Using 4K PRO Night Vision Binoculars is a total game changer for anyone who loves exploring at night. They open up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing you to see and experience things that were previously invisible to the naked eye. If you've had any experiences with night vision technology, I'd love to hear about them. Share your stories in the comments below. And if you're looking for more exciting content like this, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and I'll catch you in the next one. Night Vision Goggles, True 4K Night Vision Binoculars, built-in powerful focusable IR, 6000 mAh rechargeable battery, super large display, long viewing range, free 64 GB card. Brand VABSCE. Age range adult. Special feature night vision. Objective lens diameter 31 mm. Magnification maximum 5.00. High-quality Ultra 4K Night Vision. VABSCE Night Vision Binoculars feature a powerful focusable IR illuminator and all-optical binocular system that allows you to see animals or plants clearly in 100% darkness or dim ambient light. With 3 modes, taking photos, recording a video, and playback, you can capture and view high-definition photos and videos with outstanding optical clarity in the daytime, low light, or nighttime. High-power IR illuminator with CVA tech. As the most critical part of the night vision device, the special design was developed and patented by a university professor. It's a top-tier device known for its high power and versatility, which offers focusable beam, high power, and 7-level IR adjustment. A focusable beam helps achieve the best illumination of an object in specific observation conditions. This boosts clarity and image quality, with 2x observation distance compared to others. Enjoy beyond 4K video and 36MP picture, built-in high-sensitivity starlight level CMOS sensor and focusable IR illuminator that achieves beyond 4K Full HD video resolution in 36MP photos, which can make videos and photos look clearer and more vivid. 5x digital zoom offers you a more full field, and you can play back them with a large viewing experience. It helps you no longer miss the wonderful moments of wildlife. Super long viewing range, built-in 3 times more powerful IR illuminator with CVA tech, 850 nanometers illuminator enables you to observe far away clearly in complete darkness without any ambient light. The viewing distance is twice or more than that of other brands. 7 levels of adjustable IR brightness provide optimal visibility at night. The higher level IR is adjusted, the clearer the image is. What you get. Package include 1x4K PRO Night Vision Binoculars, 1x carrying case, 1x neck strap, 1x card reader, 1x64G card, 1x USB cable, 1x user manual, 1x cleaning cloth. Built-in 6000 mAh rechargeable battery working time of up to 8 hours, which can be significantly prolonged by connecting with a high-capacity external power bank.